The speed of the ratchet benefits the job because the faster you get the job done, you can move on to the next one.
I'm able to pull out more fasteners than I can even count in a short period of time. Quite frankly, surprised me compared to pneumatic tools I've used in the past.
I've honestly never had another ratchet be as quick as removing a fastener. Say about 30 to 40% faster compared to electric ratchets that I've used in the past.
With the small size of the head and ratchet, I can get into tight spaces where I may not be able to turn the ratchet with my hand, where I can stick that in there, hit the button, and you can finish off your job.
It's really narrow. You can get into some tight spaces.
Dramatically speeds things up. I can get in there not having to worry about an air hose to trip me up. The high-speed ratchet definitely is a heavy-duty Milwaukee tool.
The tool is pretty durable. I've taken off some pretty tight bolts with it. Barely flexed. It was pretty good.
It's a tool you do not have to baby. You don't have to worry about it breaking. At the end of the day, you don't have to replace it.
LED light, you could get to dark areas. It's really helpful to guide you.
The benefit of having a variable speed ratchet is the control that I have when I'm taking off a fastener. I don't have to go full speed towards the end. I can grab it with my hand and go very slow.
Beats pretty much most of my air ratchets in size and convenience and power.
This is my first cordless. It beats dragging an air hose around with you, not to mention the fact that it's a very durable tool. I absolutely love it.